I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Ready to explore right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Experience the magic of Junior's Fashion Week, where luxury fashion meets the young runway stars, a thrilling celebration of international style and incredible talent, all in one spectacular showcase to Levi's and Converse. The stone scatters to youngsters.
यहाँ आओ न
So you were actually I'm going to ask a few questions about cars.
ऐसे नहीं जाना है
So can you share a funny backstage moment that happened during the fashion week? Oh, you want to sleep? Okay. Hold on, hold on.
अच्छा चल
Oh, that's actually fun. All right. And like, what was the mood? What was super exciting to meet Did that song motivate you? So the Junior Fashion Week team provided meal box for you. So did you enjoy the meal? And what was your favorite dish from the meal boxes? Mini burger, right? So can you share your experience backstage with the Junior Fashion Week team? Just amazing. All right. Now, are you excited about participating in the upcoming showcase of Jewelry Fashion? Oh, you have been before as in 2000? All right. So, how's the experience in that time? You're very young, Katrina, right? 6 years. And now? How was your previous experience? Remember? Remember. All right. So, what are you most looking forward to? So, we'll see you next time here as well. Definitely, please do participate. And thank you so much for participating in Junior Fashion Week. Next time, soon. And best of luck. Thank you.
Thank you.